Now we will demonstrate how to set up SAANS in nCPAP mode for short-term or transport use. We will require following components: SAANS device, one oxygen hose with DIN connector and bullnose regulator, TP circuit, test lung, ram cannula size 0 and size 1. Now connect the power cord into the port provided in the back panel of the device. Unlock the oxygen coupler by pulling up the lock and plug in the oxygen hose to the device. Connect the opposite end of the oxygen hose with the bullnose regulator to the cylinder. Rotate the regulator valve clockwise to set the oxygen flow. Ensure the regulator output is set to 15 lpm. Open the patient output cap from the device and switch on the device. Now you will see the battery percentage and different modes in the device. Rotate the knob to select the nCPAP mode and gently press the knob to select the mode. Connect the TP circuit to the patient output of the device with the conical connector. Connect one end of the pressure sampling tube to the device sampling port and the other to the TP circuit. Connect the test lung to the end of the TP circuit to complete the circuit. Now you can set the pressure between 2 to 12 centimeters of water. Press the knob to select the parameter and rotate the knob clockwise to increase the values and anti-clockwise to decrease the value. And FiO2 between 21% to 100% as required. After setting the desired values, use the knob to navigate to the start button and gently press the knob to start the therapy. Once the device has calibrated the set values, the therapy will start and the device will provide visual information to compare the set and the actual values. Now disconnect the test lung and connect the ram cannula to the TP circuit. The pause button will pause the therapy. The resume button will resume the therapy. The modify button will modify the parameters. The start button will start the therapy. The stop button will stop the therapy.